Hi guys, it's wash day. So first we're gonna wash our hair and then we're gonna deep condition it for 6 hours. After that, we're gonna wash the conditioner out. Make sure all of the conditioner is out before you blow dry. Then let's blow dry for about 15 minutes. After that, I hot comb my hair just to get it straight. Then of course you want to flat iron it and curl it just so it can get a little bit more straight. Now I'm going to part my hair from my braids and put it in the rubber bands so that it makes it easier for me to continue braiding. And then voila, we're going to braid our hair. Now it's time to get dressed. Ooh, look at that. Just fine. Just fine. Thanks for watching. Come again.